Starting from July 1st, 2024, the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) will be implementing major changes that will affect credit card payments made through well-known fintech platforms like Cred, PhonePe, BillDesk, and Infibeam Avenues. In an effort to standardize and secure the payment process, the central directive now requires that all credit card bill payments be made through the Bharat Bill Payment System, in short BBPS. Hello, I'm your host Riya, and in this video we will learn the logic behind the RBI's action and how will it affect the consumers and service providers. Before we begin, make sure you have subscribed to our channel Freedom Money English and download the Freedom app. The RBI's decision to improve the security and effectiveness of digital transaction in the foundation for its decision to process all credit card payments through BBPS. The National Payment Corporation of India (NPCI), which manages the BBPS, was created to provide an accessible and seamless bill payment service while guaranteeing the efficiency, security, and transparency of every transaction. This action supports economic growth and security by integrating and optimizing digital payment systems throughout India, which is the RBI's overall goal. As of now, among the 34 banks that are allowed to issue credit cards in India, only 8 are live on BBPS. They are SBI Cards, Bank of Baroda Card, Kotak Mahindra Bank, IndusInd Bank, and Federal Bank. However, some of the largest card issuers in the country like HDFC, ICICI Bank, and Axis Bank are yet not on the Bharat Bill Payment System. Together, these banks have issued over 51 million credit cards. Due to their non-compliance, fintech like PhonePe and Cred, which are already on BBPS members, will not be able to process credit card payments for customers of these after June 30th, 2024. The customers of all the other 26 banks will be left to pay their credit card bills through auto-debit mandates or net banking. The industry body of payment companies, the Payment Council of India, PCI, has pensioned the regulators for an extension which is yet not been granted. Now let's talk about what all changes this change will bring in the payment process. First, uniform payment processing. All credit card payments will be processed through the BBPS, leading to a more uniform settlement time across all platforms. This could potentially remove the competitive edge that some apps like Cred and PhonePe have enjoyed due to the faster processing time. Also, payment platforms will need to adapt their system to comply with the new regulation. This might involve technical upgrades and partnerships with the BBPS compliant aggregators to ensure seamless integration. Next is partial payments. One of the key differences that might arise is in the handling of partial payments. The current BBPS system typically requires full bill payments, which might limit the flexibility of users have had with partial payments on Cred and PhonePe. Next is reward and incentives. There is also speculation about the future of rewards and cashback programs. Given that the BBPS framework standardized payments, the unique reward system offered by these platforms may see change. This could diminish the appeal of using third-party apps for credit card payments if they cannot offer same incentives. Well, these incentives were a major draw for users, and their reduction could affect user satisfaction and engagement. Now let's understand how will this change create an impact on Cred and PhonePe. Cred and PhonePe are widely used for their user-friendly interfaces and additional rewards like cashbacks and offers. With the new regulation, these platforms will no longer be able to process credit card bills payment directly. Users will need to switch to the BBPS for such transaction. Cred, known for its seamless bill payment process and rewards. Cred will now have to integrate with the BBPS to continue offering credit card bill payment services. This change might reduce the uniqueness and competitive advantage Cred has due to its fast processing time and exclusive offers. Similar to Cred, PhonePe will also be affected. Users who were accustomed to paying their credit card bills directly through the app will need to adapt using the BBPS platform. This shift may initially be inconvenient for users who are familiar with the existing system. Now let's understand how will it create an impact on the users and the market. The shift to BBPS is expected to bring several benefits, including enhanced security, reduced fraud, and increased efficiency. However, users accustomed to the convenience and rewards of platforms like Cred and PhonePe might initially find this transition challenging. Let's talk about some potential implications. Users will need to adapt to the new process, which might involve relinking their credit cards and familiarizing themselves with the BBPS system. This could cause some initial inconvenience, but is expected to stabilize over time. The digital payment landscape in India might see a shift as the platforms adjust to the new regulations. Companies like Cred and PhonePe may need to innovate new ways to retain users and maintain engagement without their traditional incentives. Now let's talk about the benefits of this new system. Despite the inconvenience of transition to a new platform, the BBPS offers several advantages. Let's talk about them. First, enhanced security. By centralizing the bill payment process, BBPS provides a more secure environment, reducing the risk of fraud and unauthorized transaction. Next, standardized process. The BBPS ensures a uniform experience across different billers and payment platforms, simplifying the process for the users. Next is faster settlement. Transactions through BBPS are expected to settle more quickly, providing a more efficient payment experience. Next, industry reaction. The new mandate has sparked varied reaction from the industry and users. Now let's talk about what will be the future outlook. Despite the immediate challenges, the long-term outlook of this challenge is positive. The RBI's move to integrate credit card payments into the BBPS framework is a strategic step towards more unified and secure digital payment ecosystem. It reflects the broader vision of creating a seamless, interoperable financial environment that benefits all stakeholders. For platforms like Cred and PhonePe, this change presents both a challenge and an opportunity. While they may need to overhaul their business models and user engagement strategies, there is also a potential to innovate within the BBPS framework. For instance, they could focus on enhancing user experience through better customer support, financial management tools, and other value-added services. Well, in conclusion, it would be right to say that the RBI's directive to route credit card payments through BBPS marks a significant shift in India's digital payment landscape. While it does pose certain challenges for both users and service providers, it also set the stage for a more secure and efficient payments ecosystem. Adaptation and innovation will be the key for platforms like Cred and PhonePe as they navigate this transition and continue to serve their users in rapidly evolving financial environment. Well, that's all for today in this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel Freedom Money English for more such financial update and download the Freedom app. I'm your host Ria. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.